Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of struggling with SEO, wasting hours optimizing your content and still not getting results, this video is for you. Today, I'm sharing the powerful SEO tricks that are hidden from the average marketer, the same strategies that help websites dominate Google. So today, we are discussing about how to do SEO for YouTube video. I am going to show the every step-by-step for doing SEO videos of YouTube. First of all, I have made a video for my YouTube music channel, which is done in v.io. I am going to first start download the video. So here is the file is downloading. In the meantime, we will go to my YouTube channel for the music channel where I need to upload. And my video is about the lofi chill music, which is relevant to our channel as per nature, relax, and meditation type of video. So first thing is selecting a title for the video. So for selecting a title, first I am open a parallelly secondary tab for YouTube. Then I'm searching for the lofi vibe music. And the result is this kind of videos in YouTube channel. So first, I need to check that which video is getting more views about the same topic. So look, this is the not very old age. This is just 3 months ago video, and it's got the 1.3 million views. It is the same topic which I need to be uploaded, chill lofi beats music. So I'm going to open this one and check a few things regarding to this video getting more views. So to check that, I will see the video quality, what kind of view the video is getting. In the right side, parallelly here, we are getting the channel tags and the video tags. So this kind of video tags are more effective for this video. So first, collect this video tags and open a notepad. Just paste it over there. Second thing, you can check the video title. So this is the title they are using, the chill lofi beats music, chill lofi hip hop beats, and last one, study and relaxing music. There is a 3 different kind of keywords they are targeted about. So just copy the title from there and go to ChatGPT and ask that I want a very trending and catchy title for my lofi and chill music vibes video for YouTube, and I had some ideas about the title. And after that, just paste the title of the video, which I copied before, and ask GPT to please give me the title suggestion. So you can see ChatGPT had given some trending and catchy titles suggesting which is related to lofi and chill music vibes, and given some options for best picks for the video. The best picks is chill lofi beats mix, relax, study, and vibe. So I am just going to copy this one. After this, we will go to our second part. You can now see that my video is downloaded here. So I am opening the video location and just rename the video as per my title I chosen. Then go to properties and go to details. Over there, you will see the file description and just put the title same as my video. Same over here and put the tags. This is used as meta tags. So this is my video about lofi music, relaxation music, study music, and calm music. Now just go to your YouTube studio, upload the file. If you have vidIQ or any other tools, then you can get the suggestions like what is the title score. So my title score is almost 88, which is very good. So I'm going to use this title, not going to change this title for now. Second thing is just copy the title and put the description folder as it is same as per title. Now I want video description. So what will be the video description? Now again, go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to give me the SEO optimized video description. And my main targeted keywords are nature, relax, music. Just wait for a second while ChatGPT give me the answer. So that's it. ChatGPT, give me the video description. Now look very closely. This is my targeted keywords which I wanted to target. As for my audience, the bold one is the main targeted keywords. Now just copy the thing from here and paste in the description box. Also use these hashtags from ChatGPT. Then go down and upload your thumbnail for the video. Select your playlists. Now go a little bit down and you can see the box for tags. Again, we are going to use the title as our main keywords. So I'm using this title as my main keywords. After that, you can take the help of the vidIQ or any other tools to boost the video. I'm going to use vidIQ for my keyword researching. Also, I'm using Google Trends for keyword analyzing. So collect all the keywords relevant to the video. Previously, we are copied the tags, which is relevant for the video and which is top marking. So just paste those keywords and cross-check once that which ones are the most high-ranking keywords. Just use those and remove rest of all keywords, which is not relevant for your video, and publish it.
And that's it all for the day. Now, drop a comment below with the keyword you're struggling to rank for, and I'll give you a quick SEO hack to improve it. Also, don't forget to smash that like button if you want more hidden SEO secrets.